Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set paper size in any thermal printer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and here types control panel. Go to the start and type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, we find many options. Here we find devices and printers. Click on the devices and printers. Here we find our all installed printer. Select the printer, your thermal printer. Go to your thermal printer. Right click on your thermal printer. In this case, this is my thermal printer. Right click on it. And here we find many options. Go to the printer properties. Here we find printer properties. Click on the printer properties. Here we find our thermal printer properties. Minimize it. Here we find many options. Go to the preferences. Here we find preferences. Click on the preferences. In preferences, here we find advanced, click on the advanced. Here we find our paper size, click at here and select any paper size that you want. I select this paper size. You can select any paper size that you want. Select your paper size, click on the OK, click on apply, click on OK. Next option is advanced. Go to the advanced. Same thing, go to the printing defaults, go to the printing defaults, click at here. Here we find advanced, go to the advanced. Paper size, click at here. Select your paper size, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Next option is device settings, click on device settings. Here we find manual paper feed, click at here and select your paper size, click on apply, click on OK. After that, go to the control panel once again, print devices and printers. Here, go to your thermal printer, right click on it, go to the printer properties. In a printer properties, I make a center. In a printer properties, here we find paper available and paper available is changed in our thermal printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to set paper size in any thermal printer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.